Hi guys, thanks for joining me today. I just wanted to cover a quick question that I think is a really interesting one, and I want to address it a lot differently than what we've been being told our whole lives, and that is how much water should we be drinking? So, most of us have been told that we take our body weight and we divide it by two, and whatever that number is, you should drink in ounces every day. So, I'm 122 pounds divided by two. Hold on, you guys. So 61, I'm bad at math, 61 ounces in water I should be drinking every day. I recently heard a different opinion on this, and I just wanted to kind of talk to you guys about this. We all know that our body is mostly water, and it would make sense that we actually would need to drink a little bit more than what we're being told. So, what I have started doing is actually drinking 10% of my body's weight in water every day. So I'm going to do this math with you guys and put it up on the screen. I basically just did conversions on Google to get all these numbers. So these numbers, excuse me. So I'm 122 pounds. That means my total body weight in ounces is 1,952 ounces. 10% of my body weight would be 195.2 ounces. 195.2 ounces would be 1.46 gallons of water a day, which is about a gallon and a half. I started doing this and I do feel better hydrated. I'm obviously going to the bathroom a little bit more, but I also test the pH of my urine once a day, every other day. And I did notice when I was drinking less water, it was a lot harder to have a more alkaline test strip. Even though I eat very healthy, I take a lot of supplements, I really noticed that it was hard to get alkaline. And the more water I'm drinking, I'm noticing that I am getting that more alkaline response on my pH test strip. And basically, if you can get your body to the point where your urine is no longer yellow, where you are just peeing clear, then you're giving your body enough water that it can get out all of the toxic debris. And I think that is what is happening with me. So I'm to the point where my urine is now alkaline because I've gotten rid of all the toxins. I do want to be really, really clear. I know a lot of you are thinking, oh, isn't too much water dangerous? Yes, it is, but you have to drink a lot of water to hurt yourself, probably upwards of 5 gallons or, yes, a very high amount. So I would encourage people to try to aim for that 10% if you can and see how you feel. I would love it if you guys were testing the pH of your urine. You can just buy pH test strips on Amazon. They probably have them at Walgreens, to be honest, or, whatever, local store. And then I really want to be clear that you should always be drinking filtered water because of all the contaminants in water. I'll probably do a whole dedicated deep dive video on that in the near future. And I also want to be really clear that yes, when we filter water, we're getting out bad things, right? The chlorine and the, fluoride and all that stuff, the heavy metals, but we're also taking out the minerals, which we need. So it is incredibly important that you are adding minerals to your water. It does not have to be liquid minerals. You can also take minerals as a supplement. You just want a broad spectrum mineral supplement so that you're replenishing this. And especially when you're drinking so much water, it does, get rid of electrolytes and minerals and all those things, but those are also supposed to be coming in with water. So you just have to make sure that you find the right balance of adding in the extra water and all the mineral supplements that you need. So again, if you can get to 10% of your body's weight every day and test your pH and see how you feel, that would kind of be the challenge on this one to see if it makes a difference. I always like to give my clients an analogy about the cells in your body. So many clients come in here and they are not even drinking that 60 or 70 ounces that they need a day. They're maybe drinking half or a little more than half. And my analogy is I want you to think of the cells in your body as grapes. Do you want a healthy, plump, juicy grapes for cells? Or do you want raisins for cells that can't function properly, that can't detox properly, that can't store things properly or communicate properly? We want grapes for cells. So get your water in. I hope that was really helpful, and thank you guys for listening.